you will see the same expression from that point. And if you change from here, you will see different from here. That is why all of you were telling
Confusing.
different, confusing. So there are images like this. Okay, they were very skillful car, but they could carve anything.
Hundreds of images
her.
like that.
Yeah.
Hundreds of images.
In different days.
Want to take photograph?
ఎస్ ఎస్ స్లో మోషన్ ఎట్లా తీసిండు ఆయన అసలు
There is sanctum.
For 5 there are.
There are 5 parts.
ప్లీజ్ రిపీట్ వన్స్ అగైన్ ఫస్ట్ మండప ఇస్ కాల్డ్
Ardha Mandapa.
ఓకే
Then is Mandapa. Then is Mahamandapa.
మహామండప
Antrala is broken. Where there is emblem,
Okay,
there is
okay.
no emblem. It is broken.
స్మాల్ టెంపుల్
Yeah. Then the last is sanctum. So every temple has these 5 parts. Okay. But I will show you emblem in other temple. This is destroyed from this temple. I am going to show you in other temple. This is called Naga.
నిజన్నా ఇవి ఉన్నాయి కదా పైన అవి ఉన్నాయి చూడు
గదే
కుండలాగా.
అర్థమైంది.
అవి 3-4 కనిపిస్తున్నాయి మధ్యలో ఒకటి బ్రోకెన్ అండి
బ్రోకెన్ అయిందట.
నిజంగా వన్ డే ఈజీగా స్పెండ్ తీస్తుంది ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ నుంచి బాగా వస్తుంది.
వీడియో తీస్తున్నా.
This is Nirandhar temple of Nagar style. That one is also Nirandhar temple of
Yeah.
Nagar. Nirandhar means you cannot walk around. You cannot walk around. There is no gallery inside. But if you go in that temple, you can walk. You have been.
Yes, yes.
You have not
We
gone.
done.
But you will see in this temple. This is again Sandhar temple of Nagar style. If temples are bigger,
You can go around.
yeah, you can go around inside.
Inside the.
Inside there is Pradakshina path.
Okay.
Okay, circumambulatory is there. So this is a Sandhar temple of Nagar style. This is called Lakshmana temple.
లక్ష్మణ టెంపుల్.
Yes, it does not mean it is dedicated to God Lakshmana.
ఓకే.
It was the name of the king
ఓకే.
who
ఓకే.
got the temple built.
Okay.
His name was Lakshman Varman. That is why it was called
Lakshman Varman.
Lakshmana temple.
Right.
But he was devotee of Vishnu.
విష్ణు.
So he made temple dedicated to Vishnu. But in this temple there is another style which is called Panchayatna style.
పంచాయత్
Panchayatna.
పంచాయత్న.
Okay, Panchayatna style means on the
Panch.
platform
Panch.
you will see 5 temples.
యా యా.
One in the center, each in the corner.
ఓకే
One in the center, 4 in the corner.
Right. Okay. So this is called Panchayatna style. And in Panchayatna style, the central temple of the platform is called main temple. And in the main temple, whoever is the main deity, in the front always would be his wife or vehicle. If in the main temple, it depends who is in the main temple. Then always in the front there would be temple of wife or temple of the vehicle.
వెహికల్.
Yes. And in corners there would be family members.
చిల్డ్రన్.
Family members.
ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్.
Okay? Keep in mind this. So I have told you this is temple is dedicated to Vishnu. Who should be in the front in that temple?
విష్ణు.
లక్ష్మణ్
లక్ష్మి.
Right. Lakshmi. The wife is Lakshmi. So that temple is dedicated to Lakshmi. Now again I give you one condition. If in the main temple there is human form of God, then in front you will see temple dedicated to the wife.
యా.
If in the main temple there is other form, then you will see vehicle in the front. For example, Shiva has 2 forms. One human form and another lingam form.
హ్యూమన్ ఫార్మ్ అండ్
Human
Lingam.
form and lingam form.
లింగ. కరెక్ట్.
స్టాచ్యూ.
If human form is here, then who should be in the front?
నంది.
పార్వతి.
No. If
హ్యూమన్
human
ఫార్మ్ మీన్స్ పార్వతి.
Parvati would be there. If lingam form is here,
నంది.
Nandi would be there. Okay? And if Shiva is there, then in one temple in the corner you will see temple dedicated to the Ganesha, temple dedicated to Kartikeya,
ఫ్యామిలీ
temple-
మెంబర్స్.
family members, Parvati, Shiva like this. But it is Vishnu. So in front is Lakshmi because human form is there. How many members are in the family of Vishnu?
విష్ణు.
You tell me.
విష్ణు. లక్ష్మి.
వన్ మెంబర్.
Yes, only two. Only 2 members.
Only
These 2. So in one corner there would be temple dedicated to Lakshmi. In other corner, Vishnu. Then again Lakshmi, again Vishnu.
Again Vishnu.
If members are less, then those would be
Be the
repeated.
same.
Okay, if are many, then it would be like this. Then Mahamandapa. Then this is called Antrala. Where is the emblem? Emblem is the top. That is called Antral.
The topmost.
No.
That part from
Mono
bottom
of
to top
the-
is Antral.
Okay.
Okay? And the last part is Sanctum. Ardhamandapa, Mandapa, Mahamandapa, Antrala and Sanctum. These are 5. So architecture of each temple is similar. Look at this side. The similar architecture. Look at the emblem is there. That is the emblem.
Here it's very nice. 1, 2,
Yeah.
3, 4, 5.
Right.
Very nice. Like rather than the 3 there.
Emblem is there. Yes.
Which is the emblem?
Please come from this
The
side.
topmost.
Yeah.
Mono. No.
From here, please.
Here 5 temples.
Yes. This side, from this side. That is water is there. There is water on the ground. Now from here. There is no way.
Shoes.
Yes, shoes. Come with shoes. You need to take your shoes off.
Okay.
You may go to that point.
Okay.
About half moon night, when moon god descended on earth, he went to Hemavati. Then a child was born. Then by him and by his successor, these temples were made. Okay? Then from here up to here, this is called Ardhamandapa. Okay? For this, all the tower is smallest. Always on the door, you will see this decoration. This is called Makar Toran. Makar is crocodile. Crocodile is vehicle of river Ganges. They are shown pouring water into arch.
Okay.
So water is falling down and we are entering. It means we have raised. Now we are purified. Okay, this symbol. This is just symbolic. And from this point up to here, this is second hall. This is called Mandapa. Tower is much bigger than that one. I am explaining to you according to these inscriptions we have found. Look at the proof. This is original inscription. This language is Prakrit. Script is Devanagari. Every information is written.
Devanagari.
Yes, we have found hundreds of inscriptions. All were decoded. And I
Yes,
am giving
yes,
information
yes,
to
yes.
all of you according to the inscription. Then please come in the next hall. This is called Mahamandapa. Come in Mahamandapa, please. Come on the platform, please.
This is the one which you go wrong.
Pardon?
This is the temple where you go wrong.
Yeah. This is the temple here.
You will go wrong.
No.
No.
Not this
No. There.
The
That is
only
Parashar.
from back you
Yeah.
go. Okay.
Around the center.
I thought this one.
No. This is Mahamandapa. Okay? And tower is much bigger. This platform was for religious activities, for dancing purpose. Around are balcony windows for fresh air and light. So this is Mahamandapa. Then Antrala, this is Antrala here. Where priest sits. This place is called Antrala, and just above this there is emblem. At the top.
Okay.
And this is
Chandala's dynasty.
Yes. On just above this place. In the last there is sanctum, you are looking Vishnu's form. Now I am going to tell you one important thing. You may come in any time in temple. Always every light of sun goes there.
Yes.
I show you the proof. Please go left or right. Just for few minutes. भैया जी थोड़ा सा इधर आ जाएंगे 1 मिनट के लिए. Ma'am, I show you the proof, okay? Please come to this point. Yeah, be that side, okay? Look it, there is light.
Yes, okay.
This is east. This is west. You may come at 5 o'clock. Sun is that side. At that time you will see light here. So light comes from windows. There are many windows around.
Yes, yes,
Okay?
yes.
This reflect on other stones. Lastly goes here, then there.
5 o'clock.
At any time.
Any
I
time.
am not talking about 5 o'clock. You may come in the morning, in the noon, in the sunset time, or any time. There is reflection system in each temple. Vishnu, Shiva, tantric activity. In this ritual, 5 people are shown doing one ritual of Tantra. If you study deeply, you can recognize who are they. At that time, kings used to have beard and big eyes. He is king, he is from the king practicing. This side is tantric teacher, look at the sword here. Other side is by Yogini. And if you see the smaller image at the lower side, it means servant. Not, please do not say child. This is a female servant who is just telling something to the cow. Please do not say child. Child may be in the middle or it above side. For example, see that image. Near that animal, a mother is there taking a child from the servant. If the lower side is servant, child is in the middle. Okay, so a small image at lower side is always of servant. This is manner of carving. Okay, do not say child is lower side. Then look at the woman, she is shown searching nail marks on her body. A woman taking a thorn off from her foot sole. These are daily activities. Many daily activities are there. So please do photography. Every piece was called.
This is the Varaha. Built by one piece. This is the Varaha.
बॉडी बनती है और विष्णु होता है विष्णु का थोड़ा सा जैसे 6 लाख से ऊपर थोड़ा आरती की डीसी में है क्या?
क्यों?
डिलीट मत कर उसको।
क्यों?
वो देख लेंगे ना चित्राना के वहाँ टिकट पैसे लगेंगे।
कहाँ पे सिस्टम बोला
Let everybody come. Yes, come. Please come.
वो अपने मंदिर के वहाँ
ये वाला बड़ा संचाल
Don't worry. Later I will. No, I will not. हाँ ये नया है। हाँ ये अभी 250 साल पुराना है। चलिए गाँव का बिल्डिंग नहीं है। मैं आपको बाद में ये एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ। पहले ये वाला एक्सप्लेनेशन हो जाने दीजिए। लेटर इसका एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ। ठीक। फर्स्ट कम टू अदर पॉइंट।
कौन सा?
नहीं, मैं बाद में एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. वो चंदेल कालीन नहीं है, वो लेटेस्ट बिल्डिंग है. लेटर आई विल एक्सप्लेन. So you are looking that broken temple. Everything was on the floor a few years ago, but it was restored. Some pieces were found.
That was broken.
Yes, actually it was a bigger temple like that one.
Oh.
Okay, but during invasions it was broken.
Okay.
So some pieces were found there, but some are in museum.
With that pieces
Some
that
two
was
people.
built. With that pieces.
Yes, so later what happened, very few pieces are there.
Yes.
So it was not possible to restore the entire temple by those pieces. So brick and lime mortar was applied. Some pieces were found, they have fixed it. That was Parvati temple. So earlier it was open for public. So one child went inside, children near about 10 years old. He shaked the statue of Parvati, that is dedicated to Parvati, and the statue was fall down and it is broken. So hand was broken, so it is now locked
Okay.
because it is not properly fixed up. Okay, but keep in mind this is Chandil Kalin temple, this is Parvati temple. Now you see this platform from that point up to here. Here presently you are looking stairs. There were no stairs earlier. Okay, it was a gap there. And people used to climb up this way. Okay, so it was empty, but archaeological department has joined now. So on this platform there were 5 temples. Presently you see 1, 2, 3. 4th one is broken, 5th one is broken.
Where it was?
Broken, destroyed.
Exactly location of the particular.
In the corner, in
Corner.
each corner. This is your
Like
this was in
Lakshmana
point
temple.
like that one.
Like
It is
Lakshmana.
copy
Okay,
of that one. Okay.
So we have
I
got the
think
main
that is
temple.
also restored
Yeah.
one.
One temple,
Yeah.
one here, one there.
Yeah. In each corner there was one temple.
No.
But here it's gone.
Gone.
Apart from that one.
That was
from
separate.
That was separate.
Not
One-
that. I'm telling this.
Yes,
in that
yes,
corner.
This
Diagonal-
Two temples are there.
one
Now two
diagonal
temples are there.
temples are there.
one, two.
Now,
From corners.
Now 2 temples are there. 2 are broken.
Two are broken.
Two are broken.
But we may know that it was in Panchayat Register. So we try to see the front temple. Here is Nandi. Now you tell me who are there.
Who?
Who should be
Linga.
Linga.
Shivalinga.
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 Because we see the
Nandi.
Right,
Okay,
Nandi.
okay. Nandi.
Okay, this way we can guess. This is
Definitely.
the same thing.
So this is Linga, that is Nandi.
Here because now you guess if Nandi is there, who should be there? You
Linga.
tell me.
Linga.
Shiva
If
Linga,
Parvati
because
is there,
Shiva is too far. If Parvati
Shiva.
Shiva.
was here, then human form was there.
Yeah.
Now there is Nandi, so we say Shivalinga is there. Okay, the same formula. It means here was temple dedicated to Ganesha, but broken, destroyed.
Okay.
That temple dedicated
Kartikeya.
Kartikeya, then Parvati, then Shiva inside. Sometimes his daughters are also independent on the area. But unfortunately, what happened in this temple, calcium hydroxide, we say chuna. Chuna was quite vast on the wall because earlier there used to be heavy rains. So when it was applied, that was absorbed.
This is the Nandi temple.
With the weight.
मेरे साथ
జరగాలనా
हाँ
ये बॉल बॉल लेटर लिख रही है, लेटर।
Okay, okay.
और ये मेकअप,
Ah,
दिस विष्णु,
yes.
दिस इंद्रदेव,
Hmm.
दिस अग्निदेव,
हाँ हाँ
साउथ डांसिंग अप्सरा।
Apsara.
यस, ये देखिए
Yes.
चोटी को निचोड़ रही है स्नान करने के बाद।
क्या क्या
चोटी चोटी,
अच्छा अच्छा नीचे कर रहे हैं
हाँ। और ऊपर देखिए स्तन चला रही है,
Hmm.
ओ
Ilk.
चेस्ट।
Hmm. Vaman temple this one.
दिस इज कामा सूत्र,
Okay.
पगासन। दिस इज कामा सूत्र, हाथी लेफ्ट,
ऊपर
यस।
Hmm.
दिस इज यमराज,
Yamaraj.
Yes.
Ah, yes.
भैंसा,
Correct.
यमराज।
Yamaraj.
इनका वाहन यमराज वो होता है भैंसा।
हाँ बस
बफेलो नहीं से
सेम वही है उधर भी ऐसी है पूरा।
हाँ, yes।